Well friends, here is the next problem. The given problem is 1, 1, 5, 3, 10, 6, 16, 9, 23 and 15. The given options are 9, 15, 16 and 23. Friends, to solve this problem, first let me write the given question. That is 1, 1, 5, 3, 10, 6, 16, 9, 23 and 15. Now if you observe the given problem, this problem contains two series. That is 1, 5, 5, 10, 10, 16, 16, 23 and one more 1, 3, 3, 6, 6, 9, 9, 15. Okay. Now 5 is obtained when I add plus 4 to 1, that is 1 plus 4, 5. To get 10, let me add 5, 5 plus 5, 10. Okay. 16, to get 16, let me add 6, 10 plus 6, 16. To get 23, let me add 7, that is 16 plus 7 is what? 23. That is plus 4, 5, 6, 7. Now look at over here. 1, 3. Now 3 is obtained when I add 2 to 1, that is 1 plus 2 is what? 3. Now 6 is obtained when I add 3, that is 3 plus 3 is what? 6. 2, 3. So the next would be 4. If I add plus 4 to the 6, what I'll get? I'll get 10, but I'm having 9 over here. If I add 4 to 6, I'll get 10. Next, if I add 5, because these are the increasing order, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if I add 5 to 10, what I'll get? I'll get 15, which is right. Now here the given number 9 is what? Wrong. Instead of 9, they would have given 10, but they have given 9 over here, which is the wrong one. Now let us check the given options. The first option itself is 9, which is the right option. Well friends, we will see some more problems.